Andyan ka pala. Nandito na naman ako. And today, where's the other box? I actually opened the other box already. But I'm like, I have to do a video. So this one, seriously, but it's okay. USPS people are our friend. They're delivering to us our plants and whatever necessary stuff that we need. But I have another plant, this one I already opened it because I got too excited, but I decided I'm gonna share it with you guys. And it is from Gardino. So that one time that Gardino updated their Hoya stock, you know, people just kind of like run amok and kind of basically just buy everything. And thank you to some of my friends, Janelle Cortez and Yen, for always letting me know what's up if their plants are up for sale. So this one from Gardino that I already opened, they do come with an instruction, and I know I ordered one plant, but I see this one. Let's see what it is. Oh, and also this one question from, because so if you saw my previous video, another unboxing, of course unboxing, but the one that I bought for Mother's Day for myself, or from Julian, let's pretend it's from her. I asked people to ask me questions, and this question came in late, and it's from Janelle. If I'll ever fall out of love of Hoyas. I hope not. That'll be sad. Just thinking about it is really, really sad. But I did fall in love with aroids, specifically anthuriums. And then, I got distracted already, see? This is Hoya Spa EPC 271. Very long cutting. I wonder if they do free cuttings now. If you buy a Hoya, you get a free cutting. That's a great deal for me. And so anyways, going back to that question. I hope I don't, because yeah, just like what I was saying, I was into anthuriums, and then Hoya came along, and now I'm like gaga over Hoya. So I hope not, but you never know. And I'm hoping, I really hope not, because I haven't, oh come on, sorry. I have already invested. Oh, so pretty. I think not. Well, I'm praying not. But this is, what are you? Hoya Leucardena. I don't have this one yet, so I bought it. And they gave me this cutting. A very long cutting. So I'm gonna propagate this. Yes. So there's that one. And Hoya Spa has splashy stuff, but if I do recall correctly, this splashy stuff there is just basically pockets of air. So really pretty. And next to this one, this is from Hoya How. Wow, the Korean How really is a good. I want to see his hand carry bag when he travels. I bet he packs well too. See, I get a trellis. Okay, let's see. So there's a red tie. Boing. What is this one? There's no name. No name Hoya. Again, no name. Yeah, no name. Ooh. We shall see if I already have this one, because sometimes I forget. And this one. Whoa. The soil is everywhere. The good thing he packs well. It doesn't matter what happened to the box. I'm glad. Oh my gosh. This is another Hoya Burtonii. Burtonii? Okay, now I have 3. I definitely have to do the giveaway soon. Seriously, I need to keep track of which Hoyas I have, which Hoyas I already have. Because this is not good. And last, it comes with a trellis. What is down here? Is this Hoya? Oops. Let's see. Comes with a trellis because this one needs one. It's a long mama. I need to vacuum, but it's okay. This is, he posted this on his Instagram and on his Facebook that he doesn't know how to trellis it. And I told him to cut it. Well, I didn't tell him. I posted a comment that he should just cut it and propagate and purge or sell. And then I got it. Ching, ching, ching. Let's see how long. Wow. Let's see. Yes. I'm gonna see how I can trellis this, okay? So, what do you think of my trellising skills? I hope I did a good job, but obviously this one will eventually go to passive hydro. So again, thank you very much for being here. I'm just gonna show you again what I got. So the first one that I got, oh please don't fall, is this free cutting from Gardino Nursery, Hoya Spa EPC 271. Thank you, I got a free cutting. And then the one that I paid for is this Hoya Lucardena. So this one has 2 growth points and they look pretty healthy to me. Thank you, Gardino, especially for the free cutting. Like free cutting, every time I do an unboxing, I'm just so blessed that there's always a free cutting in one of the boxes. And then of course my my third Hoya Spa Affinity Burtonii. Yes, 3. 2 of them will go to you guys soon. And then this Hoya, I forgot which one this is. I'm gonna type it here, but it's very pretty. Almost reminds me of a Hoya UT022 or something like that, or a Surigauensis in a way, but we shall see what it is. And of course, this very long Hoya. Yeah, I forgot its name, but I know it's like something positive or something. Optimistic. There. Hoya Optimistica or something. Ooh, it is fuzzy. Almost reminds me of a Hoya fungi leaf. But this one doesn't have that prominent variation, but the back of it feels like a Hoya fungi. Like it's fuzzy. And it also has, well, Hoya fungi doesn't have these green fuzzy leaves. I wonder if this is like those things that I've been reading now about Hoya's Eriostema, something like that. Research. So anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with me again today. Thank you for enjoying this new Hoyas with me and this trellis. optimistic. I'll be optimistic like this plant just grow and grow and grow. And of course, I'll see you next time here. And if you haven't been following us on Instagram, follow us at our handle is always up here at Jillian's_plant_corner. And of course, please like and subscribe. Comment down below. I do have more videos for you guys like Hoya care. I know I've been getting questions about that, and I would love to share how they Carabao de Batuten. No, but anyways, I would like to share to you guys how basically I let this Hoya live with me in our little condo unit. And yes, again, see you next time, and may you always be blessed.